What if I told you that you can get paid to like videos? And what if I told you that this is worldwide? And even better, what if I told you that you are going to get paid PayPal money for this? What's going on everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to get paid to like videos. This is super easy to do, worldwide opportunity, and you are going to get paid via PayPal for this. To find out all the details, all you have to do is stay with me. But first, if you're new around here, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I upload on a consistent basis videos about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, entrepreneurship and much more. And make sure you also hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, before we get started here, make sure you watch the whole video so you don't miss out on any important information. I'm going to share with you actually two sites that you can go ahead, get paid to like videos, and you can actually do a lot more here. So you can earn more money, so that's why it's so important to pay attention and watch the whole video. These sites are actually free to sign up for, and you are going to get paid via PayPal for these sites here. If you're interested also in making a full-time passive income online, build a sustainable online business, I do have my #1 recommendation that I recommend you to have a closer look at as soon as we have finished this video, of course. But for now, let's have a look at how we can get paid to like videos. Let's get started. Alright, so you can see here I have signed in and I just typed via job name here, YouTube, and you can see that there is tons of opportunities here. These are international, so if I just open up here in a new tab, you can see that you will earn actually 10 cents. This task takes less than 1 minute to finish. And basically what you need to do is you can go here to the instructions, but these are super easy instructions. They are going to give you the link there. What you need to do is go there, just hit the sub, the like, watch and comment, and of course you need to take a screenshot and leave it here so you can get verified and get paid for it. Works really easy, so it doesn't take you actually more than a minute to do this, and you can see here that there is a lot of opportunities. Now, what I wanted to show you here also on this site is that if I just go here and clear this up, you can see that you can actually earn more by doing some other tasks here. So if I just have a closer look here, the first one is sign up YSense. This is a site that I showed in the past here in some other videos. You get paid $2.16. It takes approximately 10 minutes, but I think it actually goes faster. We have life points here for USA opportunity, $2.10, and it takes you 2 minutes here. So all you can do is you can actually go ahead and scroll down here and search for opportunities, but we can actually sort by most paying here. Okay, look at this. If you go to most paying, we can scroll down here. We have for example, install and get paid easy, $1.75 here. So a lot of opportunities. This is Survey Honey, simple sign up, $1.25. There are different countries, so you can actually target workers here if you're in a specific country. But we can also clear here, and why not even go for the latest opportunities? I mean, this is something that you can do on a daily basis, really simple and easy. Okay, so you can see here you have a review for international, 10 cents here. We have another YouTube comment, 3 cents, and it goes really fast here, so it sums up actually. So basically it's not much money, but as I said, if you do a lot of these tasks, you are going to get paid a lot of money. What you need to do is you need to actually sign up for a free account here, and it is super easy to do it. I just did it here. You sign up with a name, your email, your password, and your country, telling that you're not a robot, and agree to the terms here. Now this is super important because using VPN, multiple accounts, and doing other country jobs that you are not from will get you banned. So pay attention to this, guys. It's not worth to take that risk. Work with one account only, and you are good to go. There is also tutorials and everything inside here, but I think these are super easy tasks to do. Doesn't need any previous experience or actually any tutorials, I would say. You can see here, simple task, visit and click a site, 5 cents here. It takes you definitely less than 3 minutes to do this. So they are telling the maximum amount of minutes here that it takes. So basically there you have it. So go to rapidworkers.com, sign up for a free account and get started to get paid to like videos and much more, of course. Alright, so I said that I'm going to share another site also, and this is a similar site, and it is actually Micro Workers. Microworkers.com is probably the oldest one and probably the most popular also. Now, basically both sites here, you might come in one day, you might have a lot of opportunities, the next day it won't be so much. So I would recommend you to actually do a daily habit, go in every single day, log in to these sites and go ahead and see the opportunities. Take half an hour and you are good to go, and then you can move on to do something else there. Alright, let's have a look here at the micro workers actually, and you can see here you can actually sort here the same way. So if I go to YouTube, for example, look at this, sign up and download and re-upload 4 times, 50 cents. So this is a YouTube video comments, 15 cents. So by just opening up here, you can see that it is pretty much the same way here. What is expected, here are some details, what is required proof, your YouTube username, your comment URL link, and a screenshot, of course. So it is pretty much the same as Rapid Workers that we had a look at. Of course you need to prove and back it up so they know that it was you and not someone else who did this, okay? And if I go back here a little bit, you can see if you go to the all jobs here and have a closer look here, this is actually a lot of another site pretty similar as Rapid Workers, as I said, but you can earn more money by doing some other tasks here. I mean, look at this, for example, Gmail, create an account, 50 cents, blockchain wallet, sign up and screenshot, 88 cents. If I just scroll down, but what you can do here is also go to either the latest or the most paying. So let's have a look at the most paying here, and I think it's pretty much what we had a look at earlier here. It was ordered, yes. You can see here today, as I'm recording this video, the most paying is 88 cents actually. But it doesn't take you too much time to do these tasks here. I mean, Twitter follow plus comment and retweet, like and share and take a screenshot. This is probably something you can do in a minute, okay? And you get paid 31 cents. Alright, so if I go to the top here, you can see that we have something called reputation. You can see here how what your reputation is. And you can have a closer look here at the best workers here, just for fun to see. Look at this, you can see that these are actually users here on Micro Workers, alright? And look at the amounts here, $12, $3, $8. So I mean 42, this is great, really cool, huh? So I mean, you can quickly realize that if you put in some effort on this site, you can definitely make some good extra money here with these sites here actually. Look at this, $26.51. If I scroll down, 29, this is almost $30. And $36.55, 41. Now these guys are putting in some effort here. Alright, there you have it. Micro Workers, as I said, these two sites will definitely get you busy there. You can only select if you want to just like videos, but you can also do some other tasks to make even more money. Now, you won't get rich by doing these kind of micro tasks by liking YouTube videos and filling up for some accounts here. So if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, I do have my #1 recommendation right here below this video. If you got some value here, make sure to smash that like button below. I really appreciate it. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you hit the notification bell also so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And you also find another Make Money Online video recommendation there. That's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you soon.